Welcome to ZZZ TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to ZZZ.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bueno Broadcasting Service. We have done it again. This is the container train on standard gauge arriving Mobolaji Johnson railway station, and we'll leave shortly to Ibadan under 4.5 hours. We want to congratulate all the railway personnel, APMT, Bueno itself, the teams that made this history. We have broken the jinx, and we're glad that it happened during our time. This train is conveying 30 wagons, some of them having 40-foot containers and others 20-foot containers. It is indeed a very lengthy train, and is the maiden journey, so everybody is very careful about safety. These are brand new wagons on a brand new track, well-trained staff, and only Bueno can provide this to our teeming customers. The empties for the next loading will depart in an hour's time to APMT in readiness for the next TDO expected by Friday. Ladies and gentlemen, we are still on the same one train, 30 wagons, fully loaded. The train has been certified fit to travel by railway engineers, so their safety is highly guaranteed. Each of these wagons can take 70 tons, so there's no fear about overloading. It is still one train. The train will only stay 5 minutes here before it departs to Monia Freight Station, Ibadan. At Ibadan, our crew are already there. We have a reach stacker, powerful reach stacker, and trucks already lined up to take delivery and then to dispatch to British American Tobacco Company in Ibadan. Ladies and gentlemen, once more, this is the Container Special, maiden edition, packaged by Bueno Logistics. The orange wagon signifies the last train, the last wagon on the train. It is called Guard's Van. These are all the dignitaries that came to flag out the train. Barrister Emmanuel, the stacker guy. Thank you, and thank you.